folks, Jim from Salvinos. You can probably tell it's a little chilly here in Central Texas. That's why I'm doing it this at 5:30 in the morning, Thursday morning, because it was 84 degrees when I walked into the barn. It was 104 degrees when I walked out here yesterday and brought this out. So let's take a look at the new Takuma Sato 2020 Indy winning kit. We've got a whole bunch of those that are going to be shipping out to our the wonderful builders in Japan. Are very excited about this, and to you guys here in the States and everywhere else, they're going to be mailing out probably this week. So we've had a couple little glitches on our end. Rick had to have a knee replaced on Monday, and I had to have a little thing done on Tuesday. So I'm kind of taking, both of us are kind of taking it easy, but we're going to get stuff out as quick as we can. But in the meantime, let's take a look at the new Takuma Sato kit and also the new packaging. See, I don't even know what ends up because I need to go to, on the newer other ones, this side is going to have information and stuff, so we'll know what's top and what's bottom. It happens to be empty because I pushed record and it didn't start recording, so I'm doing it again. I've got a pile of stuff right here. So let's take a look at what's on the pile on this desk. Okay, so here we go. Everything is unloaded and dumped out in neat order on the desk here. So let's see. So this is the Takuma Sato is going to have everything. Well, there's so much of it is white. So there's there's our wings, there's our fuel cell, our halo, and the plugs. You know what I would do is, you guys, as you're building it now, before you get any farther with this stage, go ahead and take your plug that fits in here, glue it in here. We don't have it in the instructions. You know, hindsight is so wonderful. I would have done things different, but it's a little late now. I would go ahead and I would put your plug in on this side. Do it now at this stage. You can get it in, you can fit it in, you can glue it, you can prime it, paint it, whatever you want to do, you can do it now. And the other side, you know what? I'd go ahead and put do your paint on your fuel socket. I would do that at this stage now. I show in the instructions about doing stuff, but do it now. It's just going to be a little easier before you start gluing things together. And by the way, as you do, when you put the fuel cell wall in there, do it on one side. Do it on one side. Glue it up. Get it fitted as it needs to. Glue it on the one side. Excuse me, one side, and then come back, glue the other half on. There's our side pods. Round and squishy things are very squishy, and that's kind of cool that they put them in Ziplocs rather than just in a bag that you have to open up with your teeth. So here is the aero screen. The aero screen has the wicker going down. The others we don't, because they don't. But in 2020, they still had the wicker going down the front of the screen, so you'll have to paint that. So here's our engine tree parts. So this would be the Honda engine parts. I don't know why they decided to include the Chevy exhaust and head parts, but they're there. There's all your engine block, your sides of the block, your transmission, etc. All those nice parts. Here's our black. Let me move that so it's not hiding so much. So there's a first of our black tree. You will use you can use the seat if you so wish, because we do have options. If you want to buy a driver that fits in, he comes in his own seat. So there's that. It does come with seat belts, which you can paint separately. That's a nice addition instead of having to worry about getting your paint all over the seat. So you can do them separately, put them in, or if you want to buy aftermarket, we don't make them, but I'm sure somebody's got aftermarket photo etch kits. You can use those. So that's there. Here's our underwing, and we learned from our next gen kit that large underwing, you need to have a lot more support. So this one has a lot of supports. That's why this one doesn't bend and warp at all. It's very well contained. The next gen ones do have a tendency of warping a bit, but because we use high impact styrene, you can twist them, pull them, whatever you need to do. And on I'm talking next gen because these don't change, and you can bend them right back to shape, and they will stay there. Other plastics other companies use, they'll you can bend them, they don't stay, but our stuff stays put. You can bend it, tweak it, and in just 30 seconds you can have those next gen underwings right back to where they need to be. So here's your instructions, your decal placement sheet. That's going to be busy. Yeah, these kits are not put them together over weekend. They are, they are not, they're not a difficult kit. They go together well, but they're not for the novice builders, especially when it comes to doing all the decals. Look at this. Clay Kemp does such an incredible job. That's a sheet. If you were going to buy these, I'm sure these things would be $15 for a sheet of carbon fiber decals for other kits. But we're crazy, so we include it in the kit. Okay, so here's your back wing. Um, let's see. These I know those are Takuma's arms. I'm assuming I don't know where those go. I do not know where those go. They may go on the kind of the intake backbone spine of the car. I'm not sure. You're going to have to look at the instructions. There's this though. I can tell that goes on the halo. This is for his helmet visor. Top of his helmet. There's his arms. So you've got, if you choose to buy the figurine that I print, it's available on our website. We sell them on the website. You can get those drivers. They drop right in. They go in from underneath. You have to put them in before you glue the belly pan on, and you definitely don't use the stock seat, but you can use those. Let's see. I think I already dropped that down. And here's the decal sheet. Yeah, clay. It's amazing how much clay gets stuffed into one sheet, isn't it? And he does such a beautiful job. And then we turn them over to Cartograph, and they just make them even prettier. So there we go. So I know that there's pallets of models that are headed out of the factory to Japan. There's a whole bunch of them that are the Takuma Sato kits, and then they've placed an order for a bunch of our other stuff. So that's headed out, and like I said, these should be shipping. I don't know if they're going to be shipping this week from Southern California, or they are going to be mailing out next week when Rick can get back over and start doing some things over at the office. He's going to be gimping around a little slow for a little while, and obviously, since I'm 1,400 miles away from him, there's not much I can do to help on the shipping. Besides, my job is I make the pretty stuff. That's my job. So anyway, hey, thank you for buying and building Salvinos J R Models. You're giving a couple old guys reasons to get up in the morning. As a rule, I'm out here by 8 o'clock, and I don't leave till after 5 o'clock every day. It's just, hey, we're never going to retire. We're never going to quit doing this. We're having too much fun. So thanks for buying and building Salvinos J R Models. Come join us here on YouTube on Saturday mornings, 9 a.m. Central Standard Time in America. And Rick's on with me. And most of the time we have our good friend Matt Conti, a.k.a. Lucas C. You guys know him. And we just kind of bench race and smell plastic and stuff like that. So come join us. It's a lot of fun, a lot of info on what we're doing. In fact, I think we're going to be letting you know some of the new stuff that we've got coming out. So yeah, we're going to be putting up. Oh, I might as well spill the beans. Next week, we're going to be putting up the David Malukas kit and Scotty McLaughlin kit. Those are going to be coming up. Those will be released over the next couple months, but I think we're probably putting those up on the website for sale, for pre-order. So we're going to be coming out with an Indycar every month now. That's our goal. So we're going to be upping that for you guys who love the built Indy cars. That you guys who haven't had new Indy cars in how long? How long has it been since you've had a new IndyCar kit? And now you're going to be getting them every month from us. And because we're going and changing and going to the new box style, we're going to be able to do much shorter runs. So we may only be doing 250, 300 units of something, but every month we'll have a new IndyCar, and we'll be able to do some of those guys that under normal conditions where we have to do 500 or 1,000 units, we can sell some of the guys that may only sell 200-300 kits. Like one of the ones we really want to do. We love Santino. We're going to be doing a Ferrucci somewhere along the line. We love that American flag in his car. There's others that guys like that we wouldn't be able to pull off, but we now will. So keep your eyes open. We're going to have more of those. And when it comes to the Cup cars, we're going to have more. And for the Builders Club, man, you guys, the guys in the Builders Club, if you like the old stuff, the old NASCAR kits, you really need to be in the Builders Club, because we've done 4 this year. Next year, we may do even more. We may be doing 5. They're club exclusive. You have to be in the club to get them. Like, is this one? Is this one? Yes. Buddy Arrington. Only available as a club exclusive. If you want one of these, if you like the old drivers, some of them we're going to be doing only for the club. You got to either be in the club, or you got to have a buddy that's in the club that you can get him to buy them for you. But the club has some great side benefits. It doesn't cost anything to get in. But once you're in, you get a discount on the kit of the month. Every month you get the same kit as the other guys in the club, but you'll get, some of them are these exclusives. And 4 this year, 5 next year we're hoping for, that are the older kits. Also, most of the kits of the month are the classics, not the new stuff. Those we call the add-ons. So we're going to be doing lots more kits, guys. We're going to be doing 3 and 4 Cup kits a month, plus the Indy cars. But the club, you can also be part of a Tuesday night live Facebook video with usually about 100 other guys in the club that are hanging and kibitzing on live. And just like Saturday mornings, just kind of hang out with your buddies and visit and chat and, you know, have your coffee, have your breakfast. Anyway, if you want those add-on kits as a member of the club, they're at a discount price plus free shipping on any additional kits. And you get a discount on the kit that you're getting in the month anyway. So it's a really great deal if you want to build those every month. So check us out, check those out. And thanks again for buying and building Salvinos J R Models and helping a couple old men rehab from a couple surgeries. Thanks, guys.